Alright, today I'm working on a 2010 F150. Pretty sure it's a 2010 anyways. I'm taking the doors off to replace the rockers. So, first things first, you have to disconnect this plug and disconnect this one. This one has got a tab. First you gotta slip this collar off of these edges. So you gotta peel that collar off of there so you can get in there. Squeeze a tab on either side, pull it out, and this plug on the back side, it's got a little thing to, so you gotta depress that and then pop it out of here, and that's loose. And then remove these, that one, and those two, and the door is loose. And the front is almost exactly the same thing. There's two there, one here, and two there, and like I said, you gotta disconnect that. Haven't figured that one out yet. Gonna figure it out now. Once I figure it out, I'll let you know. So this guy, all you do is you turn this gray lever, which was at the top, you turn it down to 90 degrees, and you just wiggle it out, and it comes right out of there. Alright, got both doors off, working on the fender. I've taken the screws out. These little tiny things, they're 5.5 millimeter, that hold the plastic inner fender well to the fender. There's a bolt here, got him out. Popped the headlight off, got one here to remove. Then I got all of these, and that's brace. Now I'm going to make a wooden brace, cut a stick to fit here, just to support the roof so it doesn't come crashing down on me. Then I can remove those three, and this one, and there's something back there. Yeah, I'll have to try to get in behind that inner fender well and take that sucker off of there. Fun, fun, fun. Never worked on an F150 like this before, so it's a learning curve. It's going to take me a little longer than I quoted, but it'll still get done, and I will still have a very... Sorry, that was a lot close. I'll still have a very happy customer by the end of it. Yeah. Giver. Also, in behind here, there's just this tiny little pocket, and all of that was in there. Some of that is actually composted leaves, or it's actual dirt. So, see, F-150 owners, take those screws out periodically, pull the plastic out, and blow or wash the dirt out of there. There's still some in there. It's just a little catch basin for leaves. I've taken them all out except that one. That brace or strut can stay. I was mistaken. I am taking this guy out now. Then there is one here and one here. And then, as far as I can tell, we should be loose. Yeah. Then we should be golden. And this is a number 8, or an 8 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. I got these ones off. That one, which came from the back side, that's an 8 mil, and that one's an 8 mil. fender's off. So there's two 8mm on the bottom of the fender, so you can't forget about those, and a plastic clip, plug clip or whatever. Yeah, that's it. And the light, well, the light is easy. I don't know if you got a bolt here, and a bolt down here, and then it just pops out of there, and there, and there. These two, this metal clip and this metal clip, they're what hold it into the fender. So there we have it. I think I'm gonna do a complimentary cleanup down there. It's not rusted through, but it's rusted, so I'm gonna clean it up and just give it a coat of paint. It's not visible to the outside, so it doesn't matter what color it is. So I'm just gonna put some sealer in there, just to, you know, give it a few more years. Gonna have to get a new one of these, I think. Not sure how that works, but just a stick on. Yeah, running boards, and I can start cutting. All right. End of day one on this truck. Had a few interruptions, so not quite as far as I would like to be, but got the rocker off. Got a little bit of trimming to do around the corner there. I'll have to do that with my my Dremel. Can't get in there with the grinder. And yeah, cleaned up a lot of the rust. Got to do a little more cleanup. I'm going to wire wheel it, and then I'm going to spray it with rust converter. Put a coat of probably Tremclad on there, just to seal it again. Give it a few more years. A little bit of grinding to do underneath, and that back corner once again still need to do some cleanup there. But came off quite well from the top. Underside was, or the rot was a little bit difficult, but it's good. I'll continue on this tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Share, and share some more. Have a good night.